How to add voiceover to your Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to your Google Slides. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you are in the Google Slides and you have your presentation ready. Now, in order to add a voiceover to your presentation, you need to simply click on the new tab over here, and from here you need to go on and type online voice recorder. Once you are here, you need to simply click on the first link that appears. Now, as you can see that here, you need to go ahead and click on the mic option and it will start recording. So you need to simply go ahead and click on the mic option and then you need to click on allow the access to your microphone. Now, as you can see that your voice has been recorded. You need to simply go ahead and then you need to record everything that you want to present about, and once you have done that, you need to click on pause and then stop. Now you can make the adjustment if you want. You can simply trim the audio if you want from the front as well as from the back, and once you have done that, you need to go ahead and click on save. As you can see that your recording has been saved. Now, if you want to add your recording to your Google Slides, you need to go ahead and then you need to open your drive. In the search bar, you need to go ahead and type drive. Once you are here in the new option, you need to go ahead and click on new. Then from here, you need to click on files upload. Once you have done that, you can see the recording right here. Go ahead and click on that and then you need to click on open. Now that you have uploaded your recordings to the Google Drive, you need to simply go to your slides again, and from here you need to go ahead and click on insert. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and click on, and as you can see that the recording is available just here. Simply go ahead and click on that, and once you have done that, you need to click on insert. And just like that, your recording will be now played in your presentation. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.